What up, YouTube? We're going to be changing the front sprocket on this Suzuki today. This is a GS 500F. I'm going to change the front sprocket to a 17th tooth front sprocket and show you guys how to do it on this bike, and I'm going to adjust the back rear chain. This is the front sprocket right here. 33317. This will fit right here. GS 500F 04 to 08. Hard part to find, but there you go. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take off this shifter, loosen it up. All I did was stick the screwdriver in there, twist it this way. That's all I did. Screwdriver, twist. And it pulled it out good, so I can just wiggle it off now. Get that off. So we got that off now. Next is to take these bolts out here. Look like 8 millimeters. A short one, long one, short one, long one, long one. And then just slowly pull this off. It's going to be oily. And then just tilt it over to the side. Now we can see our front sprocket. Alright, now that we've got this open, take some special pliers and hook this little C-clip here. Loosen it up just a little bit. And now we're off. Right there. Save that. This is gonna be messy. I don't like touching all this messy stuff. Here we go. Give it a little slide, and we're off. Let's get this out of here. There we go. There's the stock 16 tooth sprocket right there. Filthy. Look at my arm. This is all chain lube. I'm gonna have to go wash all this off later. Nasty. Nasty. Alright. Compare the two. 16. This is 17. A little bit bigger. This is going to lower our RPMs through all idle ranges. Alright. There we go. I'll loosen up this back tire. Alright, to loosen up this back tire, I'm going to straighten out this pin. I'm going to flatten this out. Nice. Oh, we'll be able to stick it back through there when we need to, like that. Now we're just going to loosen up this. Now we're loose. And then right here, these are going to push this tire in so we can put the new sprocket on. Get some space here. And I'll show you guys how to adjust this at the end to make it nice. Both sides. Push this tire in. See that? How much it went in right there? That's pretty good. Maybe a little bit more. And look, after we push that tire, it slides right on. We take our C-clip. It snaps right into place. Now we're on. You can clean up all this stuff if you want. This is all chain lube and oil from here. Sometimes you think your engine's leaking oil, but it's not. It's just your chain lube. Like that. You can't go much bigger there. Once it's on, you just slowly push the plate up. This is the part you want to line up nice. One bolt here, short, long, short, long, and long. It's always good to start these a little bit with your fingers, like this. Make sure they're threaded. Right? Take your drill and tighten them down. Make sure your clutch is working good. Working good. We'll clean all this up later. The last step put our shifter back on. Nice and snug. And there you go. Front sprocket's changed. Now to line up the back wheel the right way. Here's how you line up the wheel the right way. There are marks right here and a gouge right here on this hoop. You mark this one up the same as this other side. You line them up. But what we really want to do is have our chain with the right tension. So let's first get our chain where we want it to be. So by tightening this bolt on the end, see that play right there? That's a good amount of play. You don't want it too tight, and you don't want it too loose. You want it right there, like nice. 2 fingers pushing up on it, moving about an inch, inch and a quarter up and down. It's perfect play. So I've adjusted this mark right here to 4.5 marks on both sides. I've tightened this down now. These are all tight. They're all equal. Now you just got to put your pin in. About right there. Stick your pin in. Then I'm going to take this and bend them around. Take this and bend it around. I'm not going anywhere now. Check your chain, looking good, rolling nice. That's how you change the front sprocket on a GS 500F.